Which term best defines the word overlooked as it is used in the last paragraph of the passage? A. Ignored, B. Surveyed, C. Remitted, or D. Reviewed? Let's begin by locating the context in which overlooked is used in the last paragraph. We see it in the first sentence, which tells us that farm-stage food loss is a significant but overlooked food waste hotspot. The usage of the conjunction but here serves to show us that whatever follows it negates what was previously said. For example, we were told that farm-stage food loss is significant but overlooked. Based on this, we can understand that despite its significance, farm-stage food loss is still overlooked. Based on this, we can mark off surveyed and reviewed as these would work together with significant, as significant things are surveyed and reviewed. Remitted simply doesn't work in this context, no matter what the conjunction is. We are left with ignored, which works perfectly in our context. Something significant is not usually ignored, hence the usage of the conjunction but. Based on this, we can mark A, ignored, as our final answer.